So start with the first of the two TDS equations. Here it is. And now think about, just pick that U, internal energy, is a function of entropy in specific volume. If that's true, then a small change in internal energy can be related to what? The rate of change of internal energy with respect to, trying to just adapt this here equation, which is in general applied to this, but now we're applying it to there. U is a function of S and V. So here, U, S, V. So every place I see Z, replace it with U. Every place I see X, replace it with S. Every place I see Y, replace it with V. So we pick up the partial with respect to S, holding V constant, times ds plus the partial of U with respect to Y is V, holding X constant, times dV. True? So just by mathematics, if U can be thought of as a function of S and V, then a small change in U can be related to a small change in S and a small change in V. You just compare, rewrite this equation to have du is equal to T ds minus P dV. Now I compare and I say, hey, is that exactly the same? Sure. Is ds exactly the same? Sure. Is dV the same? Yes, that's the same. And so what has to be equal is that this has to be true. T has to be equal to du ds holding V constant. Likewise, negative P is equal to du dV holding S constant. So here is how they develop a lot of relationships between properties, just like this.